Hi, so today we're going to review Nuvio. We're going to see how you can install add-ons, how you can have an unrestricted version, and all that stuff. Okay, now for some of you who are new to Nuvio, first of all, I believe you know Stremio. Okay, Stremio is currently the most popular open source media aggregator, but if you have used Nuvio, this app that we are reviewing today, its speed, its UI interface, and prayer experience feels much smoother and modern compared to Stremio. Okay, that is my personal view. Okay, and you have to know that this app requires you to manually configure add-ons. For some of you, you're confused because after installing it, it looks like this, it's just blank. So people really sometimes don't see settings, don't see where to install add-ons from. So that is the reason why you have to watch this video. Okay, so we're going to be practical. We're going to try to install one add-on so that you can really get to know how everything works here. Okay, so Nuvio requires you to manually configure add-ons. Okay, you have to configure add-ons, you have to configure scrappers and debrid services like RealDebrid or TorBox to actually watch anything. The community relies heavily on megathreads, GitHub links, and custom setups. Without setting up these external add-ons first, the app remains just an empty movie catalog interface, just as you see here. Okay. Now to stay on the Play Store, okay, this guy is on the Play Store. To stay on Play Store, the app is listed as a media organizer. All right. So media organizer for movies and TV shows, meaning it comes totally empty by default to comply with Google's policies. That's why actually this app confuses a lot of people. Okay. Okay, now you have to note that trying to stream torrents directly via free peer-to-peer connections often leads to slow buffering, broken links, or ISP throttling. A debrid service like RealDebrid, TorBox, or AllDebrid acts as a high-speed crowd server that downloads torrent files and streams them to your device instantly over encrypted HTTPs. Okay. So I say that because some people were kind of asking me. You have to add plugins manually, torrential, commit, etc. And because Nuvio doesn't host or link to content outside the box, users must go into app settings, as we're going to see. Okay, users must go to app settings and manually paste or install third-party add-on manifest URLs. Okay, and these plugins kind of scan the web for available streams and torrent links. Okay, we're gonna really see how you can do all that. So Google Play Store restricts certain features. Okay, so the app that you download here, it kind of has some restriction. For some of you who want to have unrestricted Nuvio full version, you may have to go to GitHub, or you may actually have to go to their website. All right, on their website they have shortcuts to download the app on Google Play, GitHub. So if you go here, you actually get a full unrestricted version of this. You can download on Windows, Mac, WebOS. All right, so we're going to really see how to install add-ons. And when you open Nuvio for the first time, you'll be greeted with a black screen, something like this. Actually, let me see the account that I'm trying to use. Why don't you go back? Okay, their setup is kind of simple. You really don't have to say. I don't remember putting in an email or something. Let me go to the start. Okay, where can I? Okay, so actually this is anonymous, so it's kind of really cool. You can just even be anonymous. Okay, all right, I won't really log out, but just know like you can really just sign up. Okay, now how to install add-ons, maybe add-on URLs. I know some of you are struggling with that. So the first time you see a black screen and which says like no active add-ons, install or validate at least one add-on before loading catalog close on a home. Okay, don't panic, the app is not broken. Nuvio comes completely empty like this. Okay, it does it to comply with the store guidelines. Okay, now these guys rely a lot on Stremio add-on ecosystem. Okay, now first you're going to click on the profile. Okay, the profile. Okay, I choose my favorite actor. Actually, these are avatars that you can actually choose when you're installing. I'm using like Jack Sparrow. I'm a fan of Jack Sparrow. Okay, so a new menu will pop up like this. Now you're going to see, actually this is a settings section. Okay, you're going to look for content and discovery. Where is it? It's here actually. Content and discovery. Then you're going to see, add-ons. Okay, so this is where actually it's kind of hiding. Now, for demonstration, we're going to install Cinemeta. This is the official Stremio / Nuvio Metadata catalog. Okay, it kind of only populates movie posters, cast info, trailers, and plot summaries. It doesn't fetch copyrighted video streams or torrent links. This is a quick disclaimer before we continue. Nuvio is simply a media player and interface. It does not host or provide any content. Some third-party add-ons can access copyrighted materials, so please ensure you only stream content you have legal right to view or access in your area. Okay, now we're going to get an add-on URL to install. You have to go to your browser. Now I'm going to just use this already here. Okay, I'm not going to go to the website because I really don't want to open things which may cause me problems on YouTube. Okay, now I already have a link, but you can, for you in your case, you can open a web browser, maybe on your phone, on a PC, or whatever you're using. Then you go to the configuration website for the add-on you want to install. So I don't know which add-on that you want to install, but you have to find out its configuration website. 2, you're going to configure the add-on, choose your preferences, video resolution, provider settings, or link your RealDebrid API key if you use one. We're going to really see. Okay, so get the manifest link. Mine is for Cinemeta. I'm going to add it here. You make sure it starts with HTTPs. All right, don't put like www. It has to be like HTTPs. All right. Okay. Paste and install. Then you just have to click on this. All right. Oh my god, I think I have to get the correct one. Okay. So anyway, then when I'll do it offline, guys. Okay. Some of these things are a bit tricky because I'm not really sure about the copyright on YouTube. So, but anyway, you have got to, I believe you have got an idea of how to install plugins in here. Okay, but you have to do it from that side. Okay, so that is it, guys. Okay, but the settings, you have to go on your profile, the other stuff. Let me see what cool things I can show to you. Downloads. Okay, here you can just see your downloads. Okay, you can switch a profile, you can add a profile, something like that. Anyway, so let me know what you may want to, maybe you're not getting well in Nuvio. I can do a video for you. You can leave me a comment. There down. Okay, I appreciate if you subscribe on my YouTube channel. You can like my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, I do app reviews, random app reviews. If you're interested in that, you can really give me a subscription. Bye.